Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Git LFS versus Visual Studio Code. Let's immediately dive into understanding how these two powerful tools address different aspects of version control, especially concerning large files. We'll explore their individual strengths and how they can work together to optimize your development workflow, ensuring your repositories remain lean and efficient. Get ready to streamline your project management. Git LFS, or Large File Storage, is a powerful extension for Git. It works by replacing large files, such as those over 100 megabytes, with small text pointers in your repository. The actual file content is then stored on a separate server. This clever approach dramatically reduces your repository's size and accelerates operations like cloning and fetching, making your workflow much smoother, especially when dealing with numerous large binary assets. Visual Studio Code offers fantastic, integrated Git capabilities right out of the box. You can effortlessly stage changes, commit your work, manage branches, and even resolve merge conflicts, all within the editor's intuitive interface. While it excels at handling code and standard Git operations, its core functionality isn't designed to specifically optimize for extremely large binary files. However, it seamlessly works alongside Git LFS when it's set up, providing a unified experience. So, when should you use each? Git LFS is absolutely essential for any project containing large binary files, like those exceeding 100 megabytes, to keep your repository lean. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, is your go-to environment for all your coding and standard Git interactions. They aren't competing, they are complementary. By using Git LFS for your large assets and VS Code for your daily Git workflow, you achieve a powerful, efficient, and highly scalable development setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.